icio ciĩgiĩ kĩgomano kĩa ũcenjia wa rĩera. Tukĩyoka nginya kaunti-inĩ ya Narok na nĩ atĩ gĩkundi kĩa Rotary Club of Maasai oro ũndũ ũmwe na kĩa Surgical Society of Kenya unyitanĩri na thirikari ya kaunti ĩno ya Narok nĩ matanyĩte gũkorwo makĩambĩka kambi ya ũheani wa ũrigiti ya thikũ ithano kaunti-inĩ ĩno. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa gĩkundi gĩkĩ nĩwe Catherine Mutula nĩ orĩtie mũingĩ gũkorwo makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene nĩguo gũkorwo magĩthũrimwo ũgima wao wa mwĩrĩ na gũkorwo magĩtangĩrwo na gũtungatĩrwo kũngĩkinyanĩria nĩ magĩkorwo magĩkũrĩkana na thĩna o wothe.
My name is Catherine Mutula, Rotary Club of Maasai Mara, the president-elect. Rotary Club of Maasai Mara, in conjunction with the Rotary Club of Magharibi and Narok and Connect and Surgical Society of Kenya. We have a free surgical camp coming into Narok from the 27th of September to 1st of October. We are here to reach out people who are not able to afford the required surgeries, and we're here to reach out people. We appeal to everyone to come for the screening, and we look forward to seeing all of you and touching more lives and creating impact on the ground. We'll be having a tree planting session from the 1st of October, just in the fight against climate change, and we'll be planting 10,000 trees. So we're appealing for your support. For the local people, we appeal that you come for screening. That's very important before the 27th. The next 1 week is very critical. And for the sponsors out here, we appeal for your support to reach all these needy people. We're targeting to do 100 major surgeries, and based on the capacity that we have in Narok for the theaters, and up to 500 other cases, the minor cases. We're looking at treating the whole of Kenya in the next 5 years. This is a program that will run for the next 5 years, trying to reach as many needy people in Kenya as possible.
Mwezi uliopita tumekuwa tukifanya screening ya kuona wagonjwa kwa kliniki yetu hapa Narok County Referral Hospital, kutofautisha wale ambao wanahitaji upasuaji na wale ambao hawahitaji. Kwa hivyo ningependa kuwaomba watu wakaaji wa Narok na majirani waje County Referral Hospital siku yote kutoka siku ya Jumatatu hadi Ijumaa kufanyiwa hiyo screening. Ndio kabla hiyo siku ya kwenye upasuaji ifike, tutakuwa tunajua wale ambao wanahitaji upasuaji na wale kwa list kingojea.